Hello friends, welcome to part 48 of Laravel 12 multi-banner e-commerce series. So we will continue working on the brands module, and in this part we are going to validate the add edit brand form. So let's start. First of all, we are going to create the brand request. So we are going to run this artisan command to create the brand request. Here I'm going to the folder, our project folder, XAMPP, HDocs, and it's inside my personal, and this is our folder ecom12. I'm going to right click, show more options, open git bash. Here you can use the command prompt as well. I'm going to paste this command to create the brand request. Under admin, we are going to create this brand request where we have other requests as well. You can see that we have created the brand request. Okay, it's under admin. Okay, so it's under http, then request, and then admin, and you can see that we are able to create this brand request as well. See, we are already having the other request for the validation of that respected module, like the category request for the categories module, detail request for the detail admin detail module, login request is for the admin login module, password request is for the change password for the admin, and product request is for the add edit product form. Subadmin request is for validating the add edit subadmin. Okay, so every module is having the request. So it will make the separate logic for the validation. So and make our code clean and in a standard approach. So uh, let's move to the next step, in which we are going to add the rules and messages for the brand form. And here you can see that we have defined here. First, we are going to use these classes. Okay, we are going to include the form request. Okay, that is for validating the form validator that is required for the validation, and HTTP response exception, and also we are required to include the brand model. Okay, and here we are going to make the authorize function. We are going to change it from false to true to authorize it, and also we are going to add these rules, and we are going to add the rule for the brand name as well as the brand URL. Okay, both are required, and the URL must be this regular expression is just to give the brand as the name without any spaces in the URL, and also there must be no special character in the URL. Okay, so here the custom messages for the rules, and here we have prepared the request before validation. Okay, and this one is the validator logic for checking the URL uniqueness. So every brand must have the unique URL. That's why we have added this with validator function. Okay, in which we are going to check whether the brand model, means the brand stable, must is having the unique URL, whatever the admin or subadmin is adding. So finally, this is the last function that will customize the validation failure response. If in case some error comes, then we are going to return that error message from here. So these are the functions that we are required to modify for our brand in the brand request. So let's open the brand request. And now we are going to modify all these functions. I'm going to copy this one. This code I'm going to copy, and I'm going to replace it with this one. Okay, and I'm going to align it as well. So after this, now I'm going to update controller to use the brand request. So we are going to add this one inside the brand controller, at the top of the brand controller. Okay, see, after request we have added the brand request as well. And finally, we are going to use this brand request in store and update function. In store function, here we will add brand request, and also we are going to add this brand request for the update function as well. So now we are going to test the brand validation. First, I'm going to use the add brand form. Here I'm going to click on submit, and here you can see the brand name is required and brand URL is required. We have added just two validation. Two fields are mandatory. One is the brand name and another one is the brand URL. Okay, so I'm going to put some brand here, like I'm going to put here some brand like Lee Cooper is already we have added. Adidas. Adidas. Spelling of Adidas is fine. I think yes, it is. So here, see, I will keep every field empty. Now I'm going to check once again. And here you can see the Adidas is filled, but it is still asking that brand URL is required. So I'm going to put this time like this one number, okay, instead of then it must ask yes, your field format is invalid. So we need to add the brand URL as a valid brand URL we need to add. So we are going to add the valid brand URL like this Adidas and see it has been updated. Okay, so in the same way, like if I'm going to edit the Adidas brand and if I will make some mistake or if I will delete any entry, like if I will delete this Adidas, then it is asking to refill the Adidas. Okay, we are required the brand name, and also if I'm going to put some numeric words numeric characters here, then it is asking to make the URL field valid. Okay, so this one is working fine in both add and edit brand form. Okay, so the validation is working fine. So in our next part, we are going to work on showing the brand select box in add edit product form so that the admin can select one of the brand for every product. Okay, so every product belongs to some brand. So we are going to add this brand inside the add edit product form like we have added the category level. Now in the same way, the admin or sub admin is going to select the brand, okay, for the product. So it's mandatory. So let's do it in the next part. Also, please subscribe the channel youtube.com stack developers for all the Laravel updates and for the multi-vendor e-commerce website in Laravel 12. And you can also join the channel for the early access of the videos and for getting the complete source code of the multi-vendor e-commerce website in Laravel 12. See, I can able to send you the source code that we are doing right now if you will join as a member, and you will also get the source code of all the earlier series if you are in hurry, if you are having some project and you want to finish it earlier, then you can also follow my Laravel 10 Laravel 11 series in which I have built the e-commerce website as well. Okay, if you will join as a member, then you will get the complete support, complete code and early access of the videos. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.